finally, for now, Met Éireann has issued
Athletics Championships in Helsinki this evening. Early round. In tennis, Caroline Wozniacki is out of Wimbledon. Dane lost in the opening round in 3 sets to Tamira Paschekov. Has opted to play for the senior footballers in the Munster final against Clare on Sunday week. Ruling the dual player out of the...
Today FM weather with EBS. Saving
lowest overnight temperatures of 12 to 15 degrees. 100 to 102. Today FM News. We'll have more in an hour.
Well, thank you.
There's always a pot of tea on Filads, so... Better leave my copy, because he's very upset about the whole thing. You know Matt from News?
Yes. Well, I don't know him, but, you know, I know of him.
You know the conspiracy?
No.
About Matt from News. Matt is not just Matt, Matt is also another person.